Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 21st, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the 4 star Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Alright, and we'll continue with this binary puzzle. This one, number 7662. We have a lot of O's. A lot of O's and only two ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29. Well. Double check 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 19. 19 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between two O's comes in 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 3 minutes. Alright. We solved it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Until then, bye bye for now.